Why is yawning contagious? You see someone yawn, and suddenly you yawn. Then they yawn again. Now the whole room's a yawn fest. Why? Turns out, it's not about being tired, it's about being human. Yawning may help regulate brain temperature. But contagious yawning? That's social behavior. Your brain sees someone yawn and says, "Hey, we're syncing now." Empathy kicks in. Mirror neurons fire. Boom! You yawn too. It's kind of like emotional Wi-Fi. Yawns equals invisible brain handshake. Fun fact, contagious yawning shows up more in people with strong social bonds. So if your dog yawns when you yawn, congrats. You're family now. Basically, yawning isn't rude. It's just your brain going, "I feel you, buddy."